Now, Madam Peko Africa, nice down here, they steadily they dish out good news for you from inside her goodness. Okay, you see how everything just costs for market. Full stuff where anything we won't buy don't increase because fuel price don't increase. And you know, say because of all these things when they happen, pressure dey to fix Port-Harcourt refinery so that it will help reduce the price of fuel. Hey, and you also know that new Banana Highland na link road to Port-Harcourt refinery. You go just pass through Odili Road. See all the ring road top where you dey hear for online. Na new Banana Highland be that too, because you go pass through Odili Road, follow that bridge wey dem dey construct, pass through Banana Highland, enter Port-Harcourt refinery. Quickly call Madam Good News for your future and the future of your children. Make you quickly carry that money wey you put for bank, come use and invest, buy plots of new Banana Highland. If you put 20 million naira for bank now, you comot 1,000 or 10,000 or 50,000 inside buy food. It's no longer 20 million naira. The money don drop to 19 point something million. You dey get me? So instead of to keep that money, just dey spend am, because anything wey you buy now just cost. You dey spend money anyhow, before you know 3 months that money phew, you don chop am with mouth. You no use am do anything. So quickly call me on 09034296519. Come collect your own plot of new Banana Highland. Quickly, people just dey call because that place na hot cake now, and I dey here dey wait for you. And the number again to call is 09034296519.